to Sunmoon Online School. Welcome to Sunmoon Online School.
Hi little friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Sunmoon Online School. Hope you are well. Today we will discuss about English for class 2. So let's get started.
Hello, Hridy. How are you?
I am good. And you?
I am okay, but I have a class now.
Really?
Yes, I think I have to go now.
Goodbye, Ahona.
Goodbye, Hridy.
See you again. Bye. Ahona, now recite the rhyme and learn some more farewell words.
Okay, let's get started.
Bye-bye, butterfly.
Take care, polar bear.
After a while, crocodile.
Got to go, buffalo.
See you later, alligator.
See you soon, penguin.
Take a bow, brown cow.
Give me a hug, ladybug.
Out the door, dinosaur.
On the bus, octopus.
So long, King Kong. Thank you for watching the video. If you like, please subscribe the channel. Thanks.
See
See
you
you again.
Thank you for visiting Sunmoon Online School.